My dear friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, we have a look of Chiliz coin. What's the price change goes in Chiliz? What's the high price and what is the current status of Chiliz coin? In this video, I will show you with the live proof. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest videos and updates. As you can see on the screen, friends, that is the live price predictions of the Chiliz coin occurs at this time live last 1 hour price predictions you are watching now, as you can see here. So if we look, the average change occur in the Chiliz negative 3.07% change occur in the Chiliz coin, and the high price of Chiliz coin is about $0.463119 is the high price of Chiliz coin, friends. Now let's see the live price prediction of the last 1 day. What's the price change goes and Chiliz coin in the last 1 day. Let's check it out, the Chiliz price. Oh my god, what's the complete structure and Chiliz, as you can see here. I don't understand this kind of Chiliz, as you can see here. That's depend on your luck. As you can see here, they take a jump in a minute and falls down in a minute, take a jump in a minute and falls down in a minute. So friends, if we talk about the average change occur in the Chiliz coin, so they falls down negative 8.5% falls down, as you can see here, friends. So that is the live price prediction of the last 1 day. As you can see here, the average level falls down, as you can see here. The graph tell us. So the high price of Chiliz coin in the last 1 day is $0.492995 is the high price of Chiliz in the previous last day. Now let's see the live price predictions of the Chiliz coin of the last 1 week. What's the price change occur in the 1 week? Oh my goodness, they take a high explosion on 8th April. As you can see here, 8th April, they jump like a rocket. As you can here, take a straight. At this time, the Chiliz holder are lucky. That is why they take a straight jump. And now they are again falling down. As you can see here, falling down. So the average change occur in the last 1 week as negative 2.05%, and the high price of Chiliz coin is $0.514819 is the high price of Chiliz coin in the last 1 week, friends. So friends, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in these coins, so please do your own research. My suggestion for all of you, that's only my suggestion, that if you are a holder of Chiliz coin, so don't sell it at this time. Please hold your Chiliz coin and be patient for a new jump of the Chiliz coin. So wait for the big time, the big huge pumps of the Chiliz coin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share your opinion about Chiliz coin in the comment box and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel.